Pull the vacuum, drain, and squeegee hoses out of their receivers and clips. Undo the 3 latches. Lift the top tank off the machine and set it on the floor. Disconnect the 2 electrical quick disconnects. Remove the 4 dash plate screws using a 5/32 Allen wrench. Lift the dash plate off the machine and use pliers to twist the switch on the plate. Remove the upper retaining ring on the top side of the dash plate. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the switch terminals. Installation is the same steps in reverse.